Yo, people, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. And we're back again today with another live. How is everybody doing out there today? So, today we're back with another stock market recap, and we're here live and direct. I hope you guys just smash the like button up, comment in the comment section, and share the video. All right, so today we're going to be looking at some charts and we're going to see how the market is shaping up for this week and the new month to come. And I hope all of you folks are doing fine out there in the market and you're getting your good stocks for a cheaper price. You just go and get that, get your dividend drip reinvested, and you'll be all right. Okay. So today, right now, it's 8:41. So I think futures are open right now. So we're gonna take a look at that shortly. Okay. So Ooh, so looking at the SPY right now. So let's look at the SPY, people. This is on the monthly, by the way. Let me crack the weekly open since we're gonna open a new week. So on the weekly on the SPY, we um we broke all the way down to 38. That's a critical level as well, you know. And we found some support at that level because remember we haven't seen those levels since March 2021 for the last time since we've seen these levels on the SPY. That's crazy. Crazy times in the market, people. So everything is looking relatively stable and relatively fine in the market right now. But as you should know, things can change pretty fast. This is the market and it's wild, and you should know that. All right. So this is just like a recap, just for what is to be expected or what we think might happen in the market and some key levels that we are currently trading at right now and how we should be managing our investment going forward and the type of companies that we should be investing and the type of investment that we need to be making on a consistent basis. So this should be like a hobby to you guys. This should be like a part of your routine, whether you invest on a daily or a weekly or a monthly. So it should be like a hobby to you. Okay, so let's break the SPY down on the daily and see what's happening. So currently on the daily, guys, the SPY found support pretty sweet at 38 at the 38 level. So over the last three trading days, guys, the SPY has been pretty bullish and is looking to test um 4250. That's the next level for the SPY. It is gonna break back above 100. I mean above 400, and it's just a matter of fact how high it goes. Because remember the other day, Jay Powell, he was kind of retracing on his statements he had made earlier on in the year. So the market took that as some positivity. So that's the reason why we're getting some greenish momentum and some life in stocks again in crypto as well. So the SPY is not sitting pretty bad, guys. SPY is doing pretty fine. Nasdaq as well. Basically, all the indexes are trading the same. They got the same pattern. They got the same movement. Only thing, the Dow is moving a bit more rapid, a bit more speedy, but they all got the same direction, as you can see. All right, let's look at how the dollar is moving right now. Let's look at the currency market. The dollar, where is it? I'll find it. So don't forget to comment in the comment section your ticker symbol that you would like to take a look at. Comment down below. Let's see what the audience is thinking, and let's see what you guys, where you guys are in the market, because it's terrible out there. It's the wild wild west. All right. So the dollar right now, it is currently in a downtrend over the past week. Over the past week and a half, to be precise, the dollar has been taking a hit. So we see the dollar dropping and stocks recovering. So let's see if the dollar is going to continue. This is on the daily. So let's go in the 4 hour. So yeah, it seems like it's clearly on a downtrend. That's one. Yeah, it's definitely on a downtrend on the 4 hour. If it doesn't hold this support right here, it's definitely going to fall to 100. And it's trading at 101. So that's not far. A dollar move. That's not far. Let's look at TOT real quick. Let's see how bonds had performed too as well over the past week. Let's see how bonds reacted to what Jay Powell said, and plus stocks moving and the dollar dropping. So the bonds, it was just trading flat over the past 3 4 days. It has been trading sideways pretty much. Seems like there's some sort of consolidation at this level, maybe for a test at 121. And if it does break this level, look for 130 bonds coming. Okay, so on the 4 hour, it is looking more bullish, like it has a direction where it wants to go. So let's see if it's gonna break fully above the 120 level, 121. That's on bonds. That's TOT, and it is at a nice support level on the monthly as well. So people could be buying up the bonds right now, with a higher yield, which the bonds are yielding higher when the market goes down, and when bonds goes down, you get a higher yielding on your bond investment. So probably that's what investors are doing right now with the bonds at a critical level. It hasn't seen since 2019 and 2016. The bonds are at a crazy level on TOT. So you could hit this right now for the retracement trade, and you could hit and make a profit out of this as a quick trade. But if you invest in bond and you're a bond investor, and you like dividends and you like passive income, you could hold this bond note, get the dividend yield, cash out once you get a profit on your money. Or if you want to hold long term, you hold long term. So That's all that is on the bonds. Let's see what let's look at Target because Target was crazy. Target reacted the other day as cryptocurrency. Look at this big ass plunge on Target. Target got rug pulled. Yes, sir. The last time Target was at these levels was 2020. So crazy, crazy on Target, bro. Target is traded at it hit 148 from what was this big move right here. It was two trading at 218 all the way to 150, bro. That's a crazy drop. So if you had long options on Target on that date, I'm telling you, man, I'm sorry for you. You got destroyed. Let's look at Tesla real quick. Let's see what Elon is up to right now. Tesla is doing pretty good. Can't complain with all the craziness in the market. Tesla chart is not looking like Target. Tesla is holding up pretty fine at 700, 600. It's holding up pretty good at these levels. So you just buy Tesla on the dip once you get these prices, bro. That's all I can say to you. Apple, let's look at Apple Tree and see what Apple Tree is up to. Apple Tree is doing the same as well. So these are some of the companies you want to have in your portfolio, guys. You don't want to have unprofitable company like Tattoo Chef and Chamber Energy and companies like that. You know what I mean? You want to have solid company with a long history and something that you see people use on a day-to-day basis, pretty much as what I always tell you in my videos. So Apple right now is doing pretty good. Apple, you could say, is a safe haven for investors in this market. Apple is doing pretty good for the bloodbath that we have been facing in the market over the past few months. I'm not gonna lie, Apple is holding up pretty fine. So whatever Apple gets low, you just buy it up. That's all I could tell you. That's all I could tell you. So I got this nice ETF I want to share with you guys that I'm interested in and that I think is doing pretty good in the market in this turbulence, and it is doing pretty fine. It has a 3.87% dividend yield, if I'm not mistaken, and it goes by the ticker symbol PEY, and you guys should check it out. It's a monthly dividend ETF, and it is looking pretty good based on how the charts is looking right now, and we clearly see that we have a bullish momentum moving towards 125 on the weekly, and it is breaking out right now. On the daily, once we break 122.6, we about to hit 123. So if you do your own due diligence, or if you go on the channel, you would see where I break down PEY and why I like it as a dividend ETF and also as a nice safe play in the portfolio as well. You would see the full details of why I have this one in the portfolio, and it is performing pretty good, and it is doing pretty fine for the portfolio. It is providing a lot of safety as well so far in this market turbulence, and I can't complain. I just keep buying on the dip whenever it dips, and I just get my reinvestment, and then I turn my drip on, and then I'm fine. You know what I mean? All right, so let's look at cryptocurrency BTC real quick and see what the crypto market is doing. All right, so currently BTC is at 129, doing pretty fine at those levels, I must say. If you see crypto this low, all I can tell you is get crypto on the discount before the rocket starts, okay? Crypto is not going anywhere. That's all I can say. Get the cryptos that has been around for a long period of time. Bitcoin is not going anywhere. Ethereum not going anywhere. Ethereum Classic not going anywhere. Those type of cryptos, those are the ones you need to get in your portfolio and be diversified. Don't go all in and try to be rich. Try to be rich at once. I mean, it's up to you to do whatever it's you want to do, but always have a long term. The long term, it will never fail you. I'm telling you. You will always have it. You can pass it down to different generations, and it's always going to be with you. It's always going to be on you. It's a long term. You have it. You're not selling it, so you'll be all right. You know. All right, and we also see what's happening in the commodity markets. We see what's going on with food prices, gas prices, all sort of stuff. We see what's happening. Let's look at Google real quick as well. Okay, so Google had a breakdown, a mental fart as well, and hit Google has been on the downtrend for weeks, months, just like everything else in the market. But we have a few strong survivors that's holding tough out there. Let's not deny that. Amazon, whew, somebody save me. That's what Amazon is saying right now. All right, let's Baker Hughes. Whew, oil is going mad, bro. Look at that. Baker Hughes is crazy. Oil prices are going nuts. Baker Hughes. If Baker Hughes hit 160, oil prices are going to 150. I'm telling you. Bank of America. Bank of America is doing alright. It's holding up fine. Not too shabby, not like Target. Right, this is currency, the Aussie dollar, AUD, USD. Nice recovery. So right now we got some risk on mood in the market as well, based on what I'm seeing in the currency market. But things could change pretty quick. So the currency market right now on the daily is telling me um, that we're having risk on at the moment. The market is feeling energetic from Jay Powell. It's feeling risky. Okay. Okay. So let's see what happened tomorrow when we open at 9:30. All right, guys. So I think that might just wrap the video up for today. So this was just a recap for this week, and let's see how things are gonna play out this week coming in the market. Okay. So I hope you guys like the video, and leave your comment down below and share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Peace.